Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of literary criticism with the focus on Clint Brooks and his important works in the new criticism theory. We'll be exploring key concepts like the heresy of paraphrase, seven types of ambiguity, and verbal irony. So, if you are preparing for the UGC NET English exam or simply interested in literature, stick around because this video is for you. Clint Brooks was a distinguished literary critic known for his influential contribution to the field of literary analysis. He played a pivotal role in shaping the new criticism movement, advocating for a rigorous examination of literary text independent of extraneous context. Now let's talk about Clint Brooks understanding what criticism is all about. Clint Brooks was an influential literary critic who was a big deal in the mid 20th century. He, along with the other thinkers, developed a school of thought known as a New Criticism. Now, what's special about New Criticism? Well, it's all about focusing solely on the text itself, without bringing in any outside information about the author's lives or a historical context. Basically, it's like analyzing a poem or a story as it's a self-contained universe. Now let's see some key concepts or the ideas of a Clint Brooks. One of Clint Brooks' important ideas is the heresy of paraphrase. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, let's break it down. The heresy of paraphrase is the idea that you can't fully understand a poem or any work of literature by simply summarizing or paraphrasing it. Brooks argued that the meaning of a poem is just in the words themselves, but in how those words are arranged and the effects they create. So, if you want to truly understand a poem, you have got to pay attention to every word and how they all work together. Next up, we have the seven types of ambiguity. Now, don't let the word ambiguity scare you off. Ambiguity simply means something can have multiple interpretations or meanings. Brooks identified seven different ways that a text can be ambiguous, ranging from simple wordplay to deeper philosophical questions. Understanding these types of ambiguity can help us appreciate the richness and complexity of literary works. Last but not least, let's talk about verbal irony. You have probably heard of irony before, but verbal irony is a specific type where the speaker says one thing but means another. Clint Brooks was really interested in how writers use verbal irony to create layers of meaning in their work. It adds depth and complexity to the text, making us think twice about what's really being said. Now let's talk about the important works by Clint Brooks. First is The Well-Wrought Urn. The Well-Wrought Urn by Clint Brooks is a seminal work in literary criticism, focusing on the structure and form of poetry. In this book, Brooks argues that the arrangement of words and lines in the poetry is essential to its meaning and impact. He explores how poets craft their works meticulously, akin to shaping an urn, to convey deeper layers of significance. Brooks' analysis highlights the interplay between form and content, shedding light on the complexity of poetic expression. This influential text continues to be a cornerstone for scholars and students studying poetry interpretation and analysis. Next is Modern Poetry and the Tradition. Modern Poetry and the Tradition by Clint Brooks is a landmark exploration of the relationship between contemporary poetry and its historical roots. In this seminal work, Brooks delved into how modern poets engage with and respond to the literary tradition that precedes them. He examines the evolution of poetic techniques and themes over times, offering profound insight into the continuity and innovation within the poetic tradition. Brooks' analysis underscores the dynamic interplay between past and present in shaping the landscape of modern poetry. This influential text remains essential reading for scholars and enthusiasts seeking a deeper understanding of poetic evolution. Understanding Poetry, co-authored by Clint Brooks and Robert Penn Warren, is a definitive guide to the interpretation and analysis of poetry. This seminal work provides readers with a comprehensive insight into the intricate world of poetic devices, forms, and themes. Brooks and Warren illuminate the complexities of poetry, emphasizing the importance of close reading and critical engagement with the text. Their collaborative effort offers readers a roadmap to navigate the rich terrain of poetic expression, making it an indispensable resource for students and scholars alike. Understanding poetry continues to a timeless classic, shaping the way we perceive and appreciate poetry. Next is Literary Criticism, a Short History. Literary Criticism, a Short History, co-authored by Clint Brooks and William K. Wimsatt, is a seminal work tracing the evolution of literary criticism from its origin to the modern era. In this comprehensive text, Brooks and Wimsatt explore key movements, theories, and figures that have shaped literary discourse throughout history. Their insightful analysis provides readers with a nuanced understanding of the development of critical thought and its impact on the interpretation of literature. Literary Criticism, a Short History, serves as an invaluable resource for students and scholars seeking to grasp the rich tapestry of literary theory and criticism. This collaborative effort stands as a testament to Brooks' enduring legacy in the field of literary studies. The Hidden God studies in Hemingway, Faulkner's Yeats, and Eliot and Warren. In this collection of essays, Brooks offers in-depth analysis of works by prominent authors exploring themes such as existentialism, myth, and symbolism. William Faulkner, The Yokna-Patawa Country, co-authored by Clint Brooks and Robert Penn Warren, is a seminal exploration of Faulkner's fiction world. In this insightful study, Brooks and Warren delve into the intricacies of Faulkner's narrative techniques and thematic concerns. They offer readers to comprehensive analysis of the characters, landscapes, and overarching themes that define the Yokna-Patawa country. This collaborative effort illuminates Faulkner's profound exploration of a human condition, solidifying his place as a literary giant of the American South. And there you have it, friends. A quick overview Clint Brooks' important works and key concepts in new criticism theory. Whether you are studying for UGC NET English exam or just curious about literature, understanding these ideas can take your appreciation of literature to a whole new level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy studying.